Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the brand new monTEK automatic lift for pedelecs. And of course for standard bicycles too, of course. But it is able to lift up your electronic bike. Wow! This is a nice bike rack, and it fits to 24 up to 29 inches of tire sizes. This is a heavy-duty vertical wall rack for bicycles up to 71 pounds. Effortless lifting, easy install, space-saving storage for the garage, and of course for your shed. Really cool. This is an effortless automatic lift featuring an automatic mechanical lift system. This automatic bike hoist effortlessly raises and stores our bike with a minimal of effort. We just place our bike on the system and it gradually lifts to a vertical position, ensuring an easy and smooth storage experience for all users. And it's heavy duty and versatile compatibility. It's made from durable anodized aluminum and stainless steel. This wall mounted vertical bike lift supports 24 inches bikes, up to 29 inches bikes, and between them, with tires up to 86 millimeter in height and 3 inches in width. This holding up to 71 pounds. It is sturdy design. It's either for a road, for mountain bikes, and of course pedelecs. This providing a reliable, long-lasting storage. And as you can see, it's so easy. Move the bike in position. Dock the bike in the automatic lock system, and it will be nearly automatic rise up and stores there. This is all mechanical. That means no electric power is needed for that. It works with a spring, and this spring tension is the key for the lift. And it's a space-saving vertical storage, as you can see, because this garage bike lifter saves 40% of floor space by storing bikes vertically. This making it ideal for tight areas like the garage, apartments, or small storage rooms. This innovative solution is an ideal for efficiently decluttering tight spaces while keeping our bike secure and easy accessible. As you can see, it is fast and reliable to get the bike out of the system again. We push it back to the floor. This is really gentle and smooth. And if we are at the bottom area, we have to rotate a little bit the tire, often, not every time. And then it will be automatically unleashed the bicycle. That's quick. That's an easy setup. Installing this automatic lift for pedelecs rack is a quick and easy operation. No need for complex tools or professional skills. With a simple and clear installation video on my channel, you can have your bike lift securely mounted in minutes. This is either for those who value everything and simplicity. And of course, because no electric, energy efficient, and low maintenance level. No electricity is needed for that manual lift system, reducing the energy consumption and minimizing environmental impact. Its low maintenance design makes it an ideal choice for bike owners looking for a simple, efficient, and responsible storage solution for the garage or for home area. And here it comes by monTEK. It is a professional bike mounting solution provider. monTEK is on a mission to redefine the way outdoor enthusiasts like us store our bicycles. They provide innovative and space-saving bike mounting solutions for residential spaces, garages, and public areas that seamlessly blend adventure and organization. At monTEK, the quality isn't just a feature, it's an unvarying promise. They assure every product is built to a durable and withstand the test of time. And this automatic on-wall bike rack makes a good job. We free up more available spaces and keep a clean look at our area. Effortless lifting, that's pedelec friendly. And then security, and of course no power is required for that. That's a good fact, of course. And more safety and stability with that stuff. The front wheel claw and the rear wheel stopper makes a good job. That means automatic engage with the bike for enhanced stability. And locking mechanism too. The anti-theft design for additional security, bike lock not included of course, but it is possible to get that, makes a good job too. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Till soon.